self-leveling horizon turned on, and I'm actually turning the tripod 90 degrees to the ground, and so this was a win. Marauders, welcome back to the channel. Give you a little bit of an update. The snowblower is off the tractor. I did that yesterday. I wanted to spare you of another video of me taking the snowblower off the tractor. That is actually my favorite look for the tractor, and I will be rolling the lawn soon and reorganizing my stuff stored outside. Snowblower will be going to one of my storage buildings for the summer or fall. But my biggest thing on the agenda for today is, as you saw in my video, Marauders Island, I have trees that blew down late last fall, and one of them cracked, and I cannot believe, if you can see it, it's the tallest tree on the island. It's the tallest tree. I want to say it's about 80 feet, and it's cracked, and it's dangerous. I have to bring that tree down. So we're going to go on a little reconnaissance with the Defender to see it, and I don't even like I don't like being near it, and I don't like my machines being near it because I'm worried it's going to fall down. And we'll go over to Marauders Island. I'll show it to you, and then I'm going to try to bring it down. So we're going to cross the creek. I'm going to put it in low. All-wheel drive, lock the diff. Let's cross the creek. Look at the debris that falls in the wintertime. Oh, I love this island. Used to have a ton. Are these wildflowers? So that tree blew down, and I'm gonna park. Look at the wildflowers. I love them. Man, look at this. Look at this mess. I think 3 trees blew down here. This tree blew down. You can see that here. All the branches, you know, I had all the branches picked up end of last fall. You can see what happened with that. I must have started making a brush pile. These trees came down last fall. I think there's a third one. So this tree fell last fall. This one was tipped over. I'm going to remove that this year. I don't know when. This one was already down. And you see the third one? A fourth one back in there. So I got a little bit of a mess going on here. Okay, so I'll show you the tree that I have to bring down, because I really don't, man, look at it. And one good thing is that it's leaning in the direction I want to drop it. I cannot believe this survived the winter. And that is the tallest tree, one of the tallest on my property. I can't believe it survived the winter. Look at this. This actually, on the day the surveyor was out here, the wind was blowing and this piece of wood backstrap was flopping. And it's leaning where I want to. Well, no, it kind of isn't. It's kind of, it leans this way and then it breaks that way, and it's also tipped this way. So there's a survey stake. So I'm going to bring this tree down because I don't feel comfortable having any type of machine here. I can't push it down with the excavator. So I think I'm going to put a strap around it and then try to get it to fall in that direction, which I think it will. And my getaway is going to be disaster if it falls the other way, maybe jumping in the creek, but just generally to get away from it. But I got to bring it down because it's not safe the way it is. So she's coming down. Again, I'll show you it. And this is a piece that actually flaps when it gets windy. I cannot believe this hasn't fallen down already. Look at what that ash borer, it weakens a tree so much that they just crack. The insides are this was a tall tree. Holy crap. That's got to be a 70-footer right there. And that was up last year. So, yeah, I can't really get the I can't really get the excavator in there without killing some other trees. So I'm going to try to saw it and bring it down. And I actually didn't want to bring the Defender out here, but I think there's enough room where I can leave the Defender here and back it up. I think we're okay, especially behind this tree. I'm going to back it up a little bit. So, I decide that my viewers are probably sick of watching me cut down trees, so I'm only going to use one camera to cut down this tree to film it. I'm going to use a GoPro Hero 9 with a max lens horizon leveling, and I'm not going to put a drone in the air and put a camera on my chest and maybe one or two tripods. You guys are probably sick of it. I'm going to do one camera. Wouldn't you know it, the file got corrupted. I think my disc is bad in the camera, and the actual video of the tree coming down was corrupted. So I tried for 2 nights to recover that video, putting my blog channel behind schedule, and finally just said, you know what, I think my viewers are going to understand, and there's more to the story than a tree falling down. By the way, I did a bad job doing my wedge cut and my back cut on it, but the tree came down. I did use a strap that was essential for safety with the tree. Highly recommend putting a strap on a tree when you're worried about a barber chair on it. I was worried about that on this tree. So I'm going to make an earnest effort to post 2 videos a week, maybe more. Try to do a blog style format. I hope you stay interested, and I hope you enjoy this video even though you didn't see the tree drop. Thank you. So again, I missed the third tree that fell, and I cut down the tree that was cracked, 80-footer that was dangerous. I missed a third tree that was blown over, and it was right next to this tree. You can see how it's mounded up. Goes around. This tree came down. Then there's another one in the back corner, and then one up by where I cross the creek. That's a beast of a tree, isn't it? Excuse me. Look at my hand up against it. So that's over 24 inches. I should have known. You know what? Don't bring a knife to a gunfight. Is that the saying? And don't bring a pistol or revolver to a shotgun fight. Should have brought the shotgun for this job, but I didn't, and I got it down safely. Very worried about it, and I have a big mess to clean up. I don't think I'm going to do it today. Marauders, as always, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share the video with a friend. That would help me out a lot. Please stay safe. Please stay safe and healthy. I am continuing to lose weight for those of you who are asking. I lost another 10 pounds. My blood sugar glucose levels are very good. Shout out to Dean. Haven't heard from you in a while. I hope you're doing well, along with the rest of you. I really appreciate your comments and your views. So that's it. I'm going to try to keep this one short. And this tree was really bothering me because you can see I have to stay away 80 feet or more all the way around it. And it could even cross the creek and fall down on me or a machine on that side of the property. So I'm glad I got it down. I get out and enjoy the great outdoors, even though you saw how I cleaned up this area of my property. You take a few steps back once you go through the winter or a windstorm, cleaning up trees that toppled over. So get out and enjoy the great outdoors, ride it, and enjoy it. I'm using a GoPro Max lens on this camera now with self-leveling horizon turned on, and I'm actually turning the tripod 90 degrees to the ground, and I don't think you'll be able to notice it if this camera is doing its job. So let me know what you think of the video quality. And I hid my Defender behind that tree, big willow tree. Safe back there. Thank you. I hope to see you on the trail. God bless. Man, she's a beast. When it fell, I heard an animal rustling over there. Let's take a walk and see if we can see it. I heard something rustling. I hope it didn't fall on a fawn that was hiding over here. Something was rustling over here. I don't know if it was a turkey or a fawn or a pheasant. Something after it came down. I don't see anything now.